In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund GCash payment in Foodpanda. First, open the Foodpanda app. Go ahead and place your order as you normally would. Once the order is placed, stay on the order screen for a moment. At the top, while it's still showing that your order is being placed or is in progress, you'll see a help button. This button is your direct path to cancelling right away, which is important because cancellations are time sensitive. If a rider hasn't been assigned and the restaurant hasn't started preparing your food yet, you'll usually see the option to cancel here. Tap the Help button. You'll be asked to choose a reason for cancelling. Pick the reason that best matches your situation. This helps Foodpanda process the cancellation correctly and ensures the restaurant and payment team receive the right information. After selecting the reason, confirm your choice. Take a moment to make sure you actually want to cancel before you hit confirm, because once it goes through, the order will be stopped. After you confirm, the app should tell you that your order has been cancelled. You might see a confirmation message or status change on the order page. Now, go back to the help section again. This time, look for the option that says something like, "I haven't received a refund." Select that. You'll be prompted to enter the necessary details for your refund request. Have your order number ready, along with any information the app asks for, such as the payment method used, GCash in this case, and any notes that can help verify the transaction. Keep your details clear and accurate to avoid delays. Once you've submitted the refund request, the next step is to wait patiently. Refunds generally go back to the same payment method you used, so you'll want to keep an eye on your GCash balance or transaction history. Processing times can vary depending on banking and payment gateways, so allow some time for it to appear. The app may also send you updates, so watch your notifications. To recap the flow, place the order, use the Help button at the top to cancel, choose your reason, and confirm, then return to Help and select the refund option to provide the required details. After that, give it some time to process. Acting quickly and entering accurate information are the keys to a smooth refund back to your GCash.